In today's video, we're diving into the world of upgrades and modifications, focusing on the rugged and versatile 2025 Unimog U500 Camper truck. This incredible vehicle has always been known for its off-road capabilities, but we're about to elevate it to new heights with some epic modifications. With the addition of cutting-edge LED lights, a high-performance lift kit, and much more, the Unimog U500 will not only stand out on the road but dominate off-road terrains like never before. Let's start with the first upgrade, the epic LED lights. When you're taking on those dark, rugged trails, having the right lighting can make all the difference. These LED lights are designed to be powerful yet energy efficient, providing a beam that cuts through the night with ease. Whether you're navigating through a dense forest, crossing over rocky mountains, or camping in the wild, these lights are your perfect companion. We've chosen a set that provides long-range visibility, ensuring you can see obstacles from a safe distance, and with the additional side lighting, you get a wider view, making off-road driving safer and more manageable. Not only do these lights enhance the functional aspect of the truck, but they also improve its aesthetic appeal with a sleek, modern look that makes the Unimog stand out. Next up, we've got the lift kit. The Unimog U500, while already equipped with impressive ground clearance, will benefit even more from this lift kit. By increasing the height of the truck, we're enhancing its off-road capability, allowing for greater clearance over rocks, logs, and other obstacles that might be in your path. But it's not just about getting over tough terrain. The lift kit improves the overall stance of the truck, giving it a more aggressive, commanding presence on the road. This added height also helps with better weight distribution, which is essential when you're carrying heavy loads or navigating uneven surfaces. Plus, it enhances the ride quality, making every drive smoother and more controlled. As we move forward, let's talk about durability. With these upgrades, your Unimog U500 isn't just more capable, it's built to last. The lift kit and LED lights are made from high-quality materials designed to withstand the toughest environments. Whether you're in scorching deserts, freezing cold mountains, or wet, muddy trails, these components will hold up. The LED lights are fully sealed and protected against moisture, dust, and vibrations, ensuring they remain reliable no matter the conditions. The lift kit, built with reinforced steel, is designed for durability and strength, ensuring that it can handle any bumps, jumps, or rough terrains you encounter without compromising the integrity of the truck. And let's not forget the improved performance these upgrades bring. The enhanced lighting helps you see better at night, reducing the likelihood of accidents or getting stuck in unsafe situations. The lift kit, meanwhile, provides improved stability and traction, which is crucial when you're driving through uneven landscapes. These upgrades work in harmony to give you a smoother, more enjoyable driving experience, no matter where the road, or lack of road, takes you. The best part? Installing these upgrades is straightforward and effective. We've made sure the process is hassle-free, so you can enjoy your Unimog's new look and feel in no time. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a weekend warrior, the installation is simple enough for anyone to handle. It's about getting your Unimog to its peak performance without spending days in the garage. The parts are designed to fit perfectly and integrate seamlessly with the existing systems, meaning you'll have more time enjoying your truck and less time working on it. As we wrap up this transformation, you can see the massive difference these upgrades make to the look and feel of the Unimog U500. The addition of the LED lights gives it a modern, futuristic touch, while the lift kit adds a more rugged, powerful stance. Together, they elevate the performance and aesthetics of the truck, turning it into a true off-road beast that's ready for anything. Now, we want to hear from you. What do you think of these upgrades for the 2025 Unimog U500 Camper truck? Do you have any suggestions or additional modifications you'd like to see? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. We love engaging with our community and hearing what you have to say. Before we go, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Epic Moto Legends. If you're passionate about cars, vans, and motorhome modifications, we've got plenty more content coming your way. From new upgrades to in-depth reviews and detailed installations, we're here to keep you up to date on all things automotive. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more epic transformations, and remember, no road is too tough when you've got the right modifications. Until next time, keep exploring, keep modifying, and keep living the adventure.